Hey gems, in this video I'm going to be doing 2-strand twist, and right here you see that I am using shea butter. I am using shea butter because when you use the braiding jam, it tends to make the hair really straight, which I don't want. I want the 2-strand twist to have volume to it. So I would suggest using either some type of, I wouldn't even say beeswax, but this shea butter worked very well. This is not the first time I used it as a parting product. So this is pretty much how I am showing you how I part using the shea butter. I apply it just like I would any type of braiding gel. And yeah, now you see me parting the squares or the boxes for the twist. As you can see right here, I'm using the shea butter as I would braiding gel, and I started off with a braid after I smoothed it all in. I like to start off with a braid because I want it to be tight to the scalp, and then I'll probably braid at least 2 or 3 times, maybe even 4, and then I split the hair like you see, like so, and then I begin to twist. And I'm not rope twisting, I'm just twisting. And I'm twisting to the right. I also want to say, when you are doing this type of natural hairstyle on natural hair, he has about a 3C type of hair, or just a number 4, like 4A grade of hair. I would suggest using shea butter as your parting product, and then I would use some type of moisturizer, rather it's a leave-in or it's just straight up moisturizer, and I would then braid. You can also make sure that you want to have the hair some type of like wetness to it, so I would suggest using water or the moisturizer. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I just want to say that you can try this hairstyle on anyone. It doesn't just have to be a male, it can be a female as well. This is a really nice protective hairstyle with less tension. It's really good on type 4 hair texture. 3 hair texture is really nice too, but it doesn't last as long. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow me on all my platforms: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I have them all in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Peace and hair grease.